Okay, we have our third example of multiplying a binomial by a binomial. And right now we're multiplying x plus 3 times x minus 7. We'll start off by making the boxes because we're using an area model. And there are two boxes by two boxes because there are two terms in each parentheses. First, going down the side is x and a 3. And going across the top is an x and a negative 7. Hopefully you match the colors with the part of the parentheses. Second step is you're going to fill in the boxes with the appropriate term. If I go in this direction, I'm going to fill all these with x's, and I'm going to fill all these with 3's. Then I'm going to fill these columns with x's and these columns with negative 7's. Alright, so here I go. Here's my x's going across. Here's my positive 3's going across this way. So I filled in my horizontal rows. Now I'm going to fill in my columns. Just filling it in. So it'll be in all of them. Alright. Once I filled in, ignore that problem. That's a previous problem. Once I do that, then I start multiplying what's in the boxes. X and x times x is x squared because there's two x's. 3 times x is plus 3x. Negative 7 times x, or x times negative 7, is negative 7x. And lastly, it's 3 times negative 7, which is negative 21. So I don't have an answer yet, but I have a bunch of terms. So I have to make columns. I have to combine like terms. I have x squareds, x's, and I have numbers. So it looks like I'm going to have 3 different columns for x squareds, x's, and numbers. And just fill in the boxes, the columns with what they are. I have 1x squared. Second term is a 3x, and it's positive. The third term is a minus 7x. And the fourth term is a minus 21. Alright, so I have all those. The last thing to do is just combine your terms. So my final answer is 1x squared. 3 and negative 7 is negative 4x. And negative 21. That's all by itself. So that's my final answer. We're being asked to multiply x plus 3 times x minus 7.